when they're doing it. They have, though, been speaking to Jenny Hill.
What strikes you first is the silence. Marina and Irina never talk when they're painting. They don't need to.
I know she sees things exactly the same way as I do. Call it telepathy. We have such a passion in our paintings, so we can actually feel what they're supposed to look like. It's hard to understand for anyone who hasn't been born together.
Landscape and light. The inspiration behind every canvas. Each of these paintings takes months to complete.
We used to work separately, but one day I was painting a picture of a forest. I don't paint shadows well. I said to my sister, "Why don't you do it?" I came back and couldn't believe it. She'd painted the exact image I had in my head.
Also man kann in das Bild so hineingehen, so und dann so. Die Absicht.
We want the viewer to say, "That reminds me of something, but I can't tell exactly what it is." We want the atmosphere to evoke a certain feeling or memory.
Do you ever stop thinking about your paintings?
We always think about our paintings, even when we're out in the city. Everything inspires us. We see shapes we can use. We can find the light.
Already they've produced dozens of pictures together. Marina and Irina plan plenty more. How, they wonder now, did they ever paint alone? Jenny Hill, BBC News, Düsseldorf.